In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the browser console on Google Chrome. The console is a built-in tool that lets you see what a web page is doing behind the scenes. It shows messages from the site, errors that might be blocking features, and helpful logs for troubleshooting. Whether you're testing a page, learning how something works, or debugging a problem, getting to the console quickly makes everything easier. The fastest way to open it is with a keyboard shortcut. Press F12 on your laptop to open Chrome's developer tools. If you want to jump directly into the console tab, press Ctrl, Shift, and J at the same time. That opens the tools and takes you straight to the console, ready to display messages immediately. When the panel appears, look along the top row of tabs to confirm you're on console. If you landed somewhere else, just click Console to switch over. You'll start to see logs, warnings, and errors streaming in as the page runs. If you prefer using the mouse, you can get there without any shortcuts. Right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. This opens the developer tools alongside your current tab. Once it's open, click the Console tab at the top of the tools. You'll now see the same live feed of messages from the page, which is perfect for checking what loads correctly and what might need attention. If the panel feels cramped or is taking up too much space on the side, you can change where it sits. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the developer tools, then select Dock to Bottom. Moving the panel to the bottom gives you a wider horizontal view, which makes long error messages and stack traces much easier to read. It also leaves more room for the page itself, so you can interact with it while watching the output below. When you want a clean slate, click the clear icon in the console. This wipes out the old logs and makes it simple to see what happens next in real time as you reload the page or try an action again. Keeping the console open while you navigate, click buttons, or submit forms helps you connect what you do with what the site reports. That's it. Console opened and ready for debugging. You're all set. Done.